Hi, I'm Eric from Younium and welcome to our use case series. Many B2B SaaS companies are stuck with manual processes when it comes to creating invoices for their subscriptions. So let's have a look into how Younium can solve that for you. The invoice creation in Younium is based on the information on each order. Starting off over here, we need to define the account that order belongs to, and then also if the invoice should be created on the same account or on a different one. The order type could be a subscription or a sales order, depending on if you have recurring charges in there or only a one off. We define the currency, the general terms of the order, and then we have the invoice settings. For example, if that should be invoiced separately. In case a customer has multiple orders, you might want to create a consolidated invoice, or in the other case, you want to have the invoices for each order created separately. We define the payment method, the payment terms, and others up here. And then we're going to look at the charges. So here we have three charges: a subscription fee with a service period in here. And then we have the billing period. So this one is going to be annually in advance. Then we have an add-on here, which is going to be monthly in advance. And then we also have a one-off in here that we're just going to invoice once. Now let's go move over to the invoicing process. You can either create an invoice directly for this order, but more likely you want to create multiple invoices at once. For that, you're going to switch over to invoices, go to invoice batches, and then here you define a target date, meaning for what period Younium should for invoiceable services, and then we create a batch. Now Younium will run through all of your orders and create a batch of invoices that you get here. Here we have created 9 invoices. Here's a list of all the invoices. If I can click on one, I can also see what charges are included in that invoice. And now, depending on your settings, when posting the batch, the invoices are either delivered directly to the customer as a PDF or as an e-invoice, or if you use an integration with the ERP system, then we send the invoice to the ERP system from where you deliver it to the customer. You might have cases where you don't want to create a batch for all of your customers. Then you can also select certain accounts, or you can group your customers into different batch groups. On top of that, you might not want to go in by yourself and actually, create a batch and post a batch. Then you also have the opportunity to go into the Younium settings. And here under schedule job, you can set up a scheduled job for generating an invoice batch. And here you can find the same settings on the other ones. You can make this a recurring one and say once a day, generate a batch and post a batch. And then this whole process runs automatically in the background, depending on your settings. And that's how you easily invoice all your subscriptions within Younium. If you have any use case you want us to review or any questions, please reach out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.